Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 26th, Thursday morning, and markets, of course, are not open yet. They open at 8:30 this morning in the grains, 9:05 in the livestock. Overnight markets in China were a little weaker in soybeans. News is quiet this morning. However, there has been some confirmation that China has canceled 2,000 tons of DDGs, which has got traders talking that maybe there is more cancellations to come there. However, we haven't seen any further confirmation as of yet. This week, or this next 2 days, we've got January option expiration, which is tomorrow. We've also got export sales, normally on Thursday, will now be released Friday morning, and first notice day for the January soybean contract will be next week on the 31st. So we got some things ahead of us that we are watching here. The other news is weather in South America. The reports are that there has been some showers across Argentina over the weekend, limited amounts. There's a hot, dry spell coming here for a few days, and then possibility of showers by mid next week. So it looks like an ideal growing condition still remains in South America, and trade will be watching that and concerned if China is now going to switch some of the soybean purchases to Brazil or Argentina as they did last year. So that's on the traders' minds as we go into the end of the year. Jordan is tendering for some wheat. Bangladesh is tendering for some wheat, very small amount, 100,000 tons to 50,000 tons. But at this point, the U.S. wheat market needs any help that it can get to find some support as it closed near contract lows on Tuesday. Look for some choppy trade here today. We'd have to expect a quiet opening at this point. However, going into this holiday week, the trade has been promoting the idea that there's been historically a rally between Christmas and New Year's. Rich Nelson in our office did a quick survey, and that's true for the last few years, like 5 out of the 8 last trading years. But also there's a chance for some lower prices as well. So stay in touch with Allendale's research on that, and we'll keep you informed on what we see there. In the livestock trade, cash beef cutout on Tuesday was a little higher. We've finally seen some strength there. 10 cents higher in choice, 73 cents higher in select. Pork cutout values were also up 69 cents. As maybe a little bit of fill-in buying. We're going into a time period here where we've got less work days and equal to a larger number of livestock to be processed. That is a concern to trade, and why we're seeing some pressure in both cattle and pork complex here. We've got that to deal with for the next several weeks, and we need to see some pickup in demand on the product side is what the trade's watching for here. We've also got the USDA quarterly hogs and pigs report tomorrow at 2 p.m. So watch that very closely. Traders are hoping that we can get some clarity on what kind of effect the PED virus has had on breeding and production numbers. So that's going to be watched very closely as well, and I expect some adjustment in positions going into that report tomorrow afternoon. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll definitely try to keep you informed the best we can. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.